Welcome to Ledger Perfect. Today we'll be going over how to set up your user account. This will be the first time you've opened and need to set up a new account. First thing you'll need to do is enter your first name, last name, an email address, and a mobile number. Once you've entered that information, click Create Account. You will receive information that a code has been sent to your email and to your mobile phone. Enter your verification code and click Verify. Please note, if you did not get the verification code, you may also hit the resend code and we will send you a new one. Enter that code and click Verify. Now we will need to set up your username, password, and enter an access code. The access code may be obtained from one of our partners or from our website at www.ledgerperfect.com. The access code is required for accessing from an Android device. If you are using an Apple device, you may either use Apple descriptions or obtain an access code. If you're an accountant, we offer an ability through the Register as Accountant to access your client's accounts. Simply click the box and follow the steps. After you've entered the information, click Next Step. Click OK. You will now be prompted to set up your business. If you do not have a formal business name, please just enter your first and last name. Otherwise, for this example, we are going to be using Ledger Perfect. You also need to select the type of tax return you're filing for your business. You may change this at any time. So for now, we're just going to use the 1040. And we'll be able to select a type of business. Pick the one that most closely matches your business. For this one, we're going to use consulting and design services. So we hit Done and Next Step. We've been successful, so we'll hit OK. Now, this is where we allow the option to set up a division or tag. We'll explain these in a later video, but these allow for even further categorization by, say, a division such as a location or vehicle, and tag would be like kind of a project number. So for now, we're just going to hit Ledger Perfect, Next, and we're going to enable these so we can show you those later on. We will then hit Login to begin accessing your account. Now we will enter the username and password that we just set up, and then we will click the Login button. You will then be presented with the first initial screen. Depending on where you got your access code, the buttons here at the top of the screen will change. You will note this red section here, Connect to Financial Institutions. To be able to accessing the system properly, you will need to set up a connection directly to a financial institution, whether that be your bank or credit card. So for now, we're just going to click that button. You'll be prompted to set up. We'll hit Connect. We utilize a company called MX. This is a banking level software that will connect to your account securely. We do not save your passwords or username. It is all maintained directly at the banking level. So we'll hit Continue. We will then select your account. You can search for it. For example, if I do a search for Discover, you will note Discover. So you may search by the name. In some cases, we see where you may have to type the website address, such as discover.com. So for now, we're just going to click Discover, and we will enter credentials for the account. After you'd enter your credentials, hit continue. And we will begin connecting to your account. Please note it may take just a little while to connect to the account, and you may get some multi-factor authentication, such as entering a user code or some other. You may be asked to verify your identity. Please select the appropriate option and continue with the process. Once you have connected, click continue. And you may add additional accounts if you have any that you would like to add. For now, we're going to click done. We will then click next because, as you can see by the description, we've set up all the accounts we want. You will now see discover. What we need to do is we need to link each account to a business. So we're going to click on the discover card, and we're going to see we have a single credit card here. We're going to click the plus, and we're going to select the business for this one, Ledger Perfect. We're also going to change the nickname. So we're going to just call this the Discover Business. And the most we can do is go back 90 days. We will be in the future allowing you to change this. So if you need to go back a lesser amount of days, that will be an option. Unfortunately, for now, we will automatically grab everything back to 90 days, which is the farthest our system is able to grab. Now that we have everything set up and linked, you'll see the check mark. We will now hit next step. And if you click finish, you will be prompted to log back in again. Now, after you log in, it will take a few moments for us to refresh and grab all the information from the server. And you will notice we now have transactions that need to be categorized, and we will have the current balance based on the last time we were able to sync with the bank. That is all for the day. Next step, we'll be showing you how to categorize your transactions.